is officially fall in Michigan. The leaves are turning red and orange and yellow, and everything is getting much colder. Sweater weather officially. And Miss Allergic to Cats is petting the cat. But today we've got some fall prep we're going to be working on. We need to get off my pants. We need to get the...
Come here, I love you.
We need to get the kale out of the greenhouse and the cabbage. Well, I think probably not the cabbage right now. We got to get the kale out of the greenhouse, and then we're going to plant some of Bunkie's flower bulbs up in front of the house so that they come up in spring. And we'll look at how everything's doing in the fall. How are you doing in the fall, mister?
How are you doing?
You got anything to say about fall?
He's purring really hard.
Yes.
He's beautiful, that's what it is. That's how fall's going. It's going beautiful.
No! Hi.
Do it again. He's talented.
What is that? What is...
See?
Oh, that is
You
cute.
can do a fist bump.
Alright, so this is the bed that we're going to be planting the flowers in. It's right in front of our house, and Bunkie picked out some crocus flowers, which are early spring flowers, then tulips, which are mid-spring, and then these alliums, which are, I think, early summer.
Allium.
Allium? Allium?
Allium.
Allium, got it. So we're supposed to plant them so that the crocus go across the whole bed in front, and after they bloom, then the tulips will bloom, which will be in the middle so that they go across the whole bed, and then the allium will be in the back, but across the whole bed. But I think there's only two of those.
I love you.
Are you gonna like the flowers, or are you just gonna sit in them?
He's gonna sit in them. Look at his face.
Of course. All right, Kayla, plant some of the flowers.
All right. Oh dear.
So I believe, how many bulbs are in that one?
You can watch me struggle with plastic instead of answering.
How many bulbs are in there?
Looks like
Potato, get out of the garden bed.
he's a good boy.
No, bad
We're
potato.
planting. We're
No, he's
planting.
not.
He's planting.
You got 5?
Yeah.
Okay, there's 5 in this one here.
Yeah.
So that's
So
10. You
halfway
just need to,
point, so
yeah.
one.
No, you have to
Hard to
dig a
cut.
hole.
I know. I'm just.
These ones
We're
go
planting.
3 inches in.
2.
Potato, no.
He's fine.
Look, you want to go get the kitten treats from on the stairs?
You don't get kitten treats. You're not being good.
He's gonna get a kitten treat so that he
He's
stops
gonna-
sitting in the garden bed.
He's gonna help me plant.
Get out of the garden bed, Potato.
We're just basically giving you a preview because Bunkie's gonna come finish this, but I'm just like showing you guys
Here's
where
the
stuff
rest of it.
goes. No, that's gonna stay in there because she's gonna finish it.
Oh, okay. Potato, get out!
So we're gonna have this in the back.
She's gonna give him a kitten
And
treat.
this in the back. Where'd he go?
He's behind Bunkie.
My baby. And then we got the tulips,
Tulips!
which go in the middle.
Potato!
Potato.
Potato!
What's your
Wow, those ones they're size appropriate.
Oh wait.
That is not evenly spaced. Oh my gosh. No. No. Okay, that's, I guess, yeah.
So Bunkie's gonna actually do this, and we'll show you what it's like when it's done.
Which will just be dirt,
Yeah.
because you won't be able to see the bulbs.
Let's go check out the greenhouse.
Okay. Is he eating them?
Yeah, he ate.
Yay! Look at the cute potato. Look at the potato tat. Oh. This video, you guys get to see my perspective of climbing through the window. Ow! No.
She hit her head.
No, that's not my head.
Her
Okay.
neck.
Okay, I can't go in like that. I gotta go leg first. And then just squish. Ow. Oh, I should have done that with the camera facing my
You
face.
should have done that with like yoga.
What? Okay, let's see how you do it.
You should have like taken a yoga class because I feel like it would have helped you. 'Cause
See,
this
she
isn't
gets
even
through
hard.
so fast.
It's not even hard.
She's so annoying. He's not helping in the garden, is he?
Yeah, he dug the holes. He dug the holes.
He dug the holes. He looks like he's digging holes, yeah. Can't see me raising my eyebrows. You still can't. Okay. You really can't.
Horrible.
Here, hold that. Stop putting it on my head. So we're in the greenhouse. This is the fig tree. We already harvested all the ripe figs. Stop it. Yeah, it looks better on you. We already harvested all the ripe figs out of this. Stop it. I can see you. Cut it out. Okay, give me that. And over here we've got the cabbage and the kale. And we're gonna harvest the kale, and Kayla's gonna make greens and beans. Hold that.
You're mean to me.
She's holding the cat. She's got a baby. She's cradling him.
He's mine.
Oh, there she goes. Okay.
She's going to suffer.
She will. She's severely allergic to him. So we have been growing the kale in the greenhouse now because cabbage moths always attack our kale and our cabbage, and then we can't eat them because there's a lot of worms and stuff eating it. So the greenhouse has actually been working really great to keep everything out of our food, and it can't get through anywhere here. And every now and then we'll catch a butterfly or something and put it in here to help pollinate. But since the cabbage has been growing really well in here, we're gonna harvest it, and the Kale's gonna bring it out inside and show you.
This is Kale, by the way.
Yes, Kale, my bad. She's gonna show you how to make greens and beans, us style. She's back. Look at him. So squished.
How much of this do we need?
About a pot of greens and beans worth.
Wow, that's so accurate, dude.
Thank you. I'd say a lot, but like not too much.
Wow. Bro, that is like the most helpful thing you've ever said.
Thank you very much. But you have the kitty, and
I'm trying
cute.
to leave some of the outer leaves on the
so
plant
that it can
so they
keep growing. Yeah, good idea. Just grab the inner stuff like you're harvesting broccoli. That should be about enough. Pick it up and hold it like a bouquet.
Yeah, totally gonna happen.
Never mind. So there's all of our, it's taller than the bowl. There's all of our kale that we're harvesting right now, and we still have a lot to go around. We'll see if we're going to come out and get more.
Inside.
All right. Let's go out the window.
Okay, so we're inside now. The kale has been de-stemmed and washed. We have about 2 strainers total.